Now, we're going to talk about control flow in Python, focusing on conditional statements and loops. Control flow allows us to determine the execution path of our programs based on certain conditions and perform repetitive tasks using loops. Now, before we dive into coding, let's understand the importance of control flow in programming. Control flow structures such as conditional statements and loops enable us to make decisions and repeat actions based on specific conditions. They give us the flexibility to control the flow of our programs and make them more dynamic. Let's start with if statements, which allow us to execute a block of code conditionally. In this code snippet, we declare a variable x and assign it to a value. We then use an if statement to check if x is greater than 5. If the condition is true, the indented block of code after the if statement is executed. In this case, x is greater than 5 is printed. Now, let's explore elif statements, which allow us to check additional conditions after an if statement. In this code snippet, we extend the previous example by adding an elif statement. The elif statement allows us to check another condition if the preceding if statement condition is false. If the condition after the elif statement is true, the corresponding block is executed. In our example, x is equal to 5, the message x is equal to 5 is printed. If none of the conditions are true, the else block is executed, and the message x is less than 5 is printed. Next, let's explore loops, which loops allow us to iterate over a sequence of elements. In this code snippet, we have a list of fruits. We use a for loop to iterate over each fruit in the list. The variable fruit takes on the value of each element in the list during each iteration. The indented block of code within the for loop is executed for each iteration, printing each fruit. And lastly, let's explore while loops, which allow us to repeatedly execute a block of code while a condition is true. In this code snippet, we initialize a variable count to 0. We then use a while loop to repeatedly execute the indented block of code as long as the condition count is less than 5 is true. Inside the loop, we print the current value of count and increment it by 1 in each iteration. And that concludes our tutorial on control flow in Python. We covered conditional statements, including if and elif statements, as well as for and while loops. With this knowledge, you can effectively control the flow of your Python programs, make decisions based on conditions, and perform repetitive tasks.